Insurance pensions in Germany 2024. Social Security. All German employees, foreign employees working for German companies, and the self-employed must enroll in the German Social Security system. Social Security includes disability, health, long-term care, unemployment benefits, work accident insurance, and pensions. Contributions are usually calculated as a percentage of your gross income and are deducted at source by your employer. The cost of Social Security contributions is split 50-50 between you and your employer. Social Security contributions are high to cover the comprehensive and generous benefits available and can easily total 40% or more of gross pay. That is, your share will be around 20%. Health insurance. Health insurance is mandatory for all workers in Germany and is considered part of the social security system. Employees can choose from a number of state-run health insurance providers for cover for themselves and their families. Above certain salary levels, employees may choose to have private health insurance, although this must be purchased and paid for through your employer, as if it were part of the state plan. Salary insurance. Salary insurance for sickness and accidents is included under Social Security, usually as part of your health or work accident coverage. Company pension fund. Due to the comprehensive German state retirement plan, private or company pensions haven't been considered necessary and many companies don't offer a private pension scheme. This is starting to change, particularly as the state has been forced to scale back the generosity of its benefits. If you're working for a large international company, you may have the option to continue participation in the company pension plan while you're working in Germany. For further information about private pension plans in Germany, usually through banks or life insurance companies,